new discussion. As always, we discuss new things. Today I'm going to talk about, which is a present trend, which is a present scenario, which is a present discussions of the society, which is very important for the students, online studies trend. I think online studies are trending in India as well now. So let's talk about online studies, because I get a lot of parents at times who inquire about how online studies are beneficial. Talking about the online studies, the major thing comes in my mind, the first point comes in my mind is convenient and flexibility. This is very convenient to make online studies regular nowadays, even if anybody is not qualified. Maybe your family scenarios were so bad that you were not able to complete your higher graduation degrees after your secondary educations. So online studies are making you achieve your dreams now. To complete your graduations, it's more convenient because you can do online studies as per your convenience, and flexible because you can balance your work as well as family and your studies timings. So there are many benefits of online studies we will discuss today. So convenience and the flexibility was the major first two discussions I had. The second, I think the major benefit of online studies is everyone can access the online studies now from any location. Anyone, as I'm into education industry and we are promoting online studies since 2014, when India was not even groomed properly to do online studies, but international structure was always welcomed, has always welcomed the online studies, because you know why? Because most of the people in abroad is working and they cannot attend the regular classes. They cannot leave their working schedules as well. So online studies was in trend abroad. Student अपनी पढ़ाई के साथ साथ अपने work schedule को भी maintain कर पाता था abroad में. Now in India also this has been introduced on a vast scale. Maybe COVID-19 has given us some study benefits, because now from Australian locations, from Canadian locations, the degrees are delivered in India. Students यहाँ बैठे बैठे भी Canadian Australian degrees को access कर पा रहे हैं. So location does not matter anymore in online studies. You can access from any location across the world. If you want to study maybe a University of Chichester or Harvard University degree, they are pursuing their degrees online now. So I think it's a major achievement. If I want to study for University of Chichester, maybe from UK, or maybe Charles Darwin University, Australia, which are the highest ranking universities across the world, I think I would not leave my work. I would not opt to leave my work, and I can do these programs now sitting in India. So online studies definitely has some benefits. You can learn about anything and everything you wish to. Online studies has a vast structure. It's not importantly you have to do relevancy studies. If you're a chef, you can only do hospitality. If you want to learn fashion designing, if you want to learn maybe photography, you can do this in online studies, because this is open fields. You can do anything you wish to do in online studies. You can explore your knowledge, explore your skills with online studies. So which is, I think, a very good major benefits of online studies so far. We see a lot of people from graduation backgrounds come and approach us to do their masters, maybe masters in strategic management, master in accountancy, because they might feel that now it is a time of accountancy, it is a time of business, so we want to do a master in business administrations. Like for example banking, a lot of people working in banks today. आज की डेट में बहुत सारे लोग ऐसे हैं जो working in banks हैं इंडिया में, पर उनको प्रमोशंस के लिए शायद हायर डिग्रीज चाहिए, मास्टर्स चाहिए या ग्रेजुएशंस चाहिए. सो ऑनलाइन स्टडीज़ आर मेकिंग देयर ड्रीम्स कम ट्रू नाउ, बिकॉज अगर उनके पास ऑनलाइन स्टडी वर्क के साथ साथ करने की ऑप्शन है और वो अपनी मास्टर डिग्री में कन्वर्ट हो सकते हैं, देन व्हाई नॉट, एंड दैट टू फ्रॉम एन इंटरनेशनल टैग्ड यूनिवर्सिटी. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, एक स्टूडेंट है जो हमारे साथ चिचेस्टर यूनिवर्सिटी का इंडिया में बैंक में खड़ा है फॉर द जॉब, और एक स्टूडेंट है शायद जो एक लोकल इंडियन स्टडी डिग्री के साथ है फॉर अ जॉब. Any senior or any human resources manager will opt for the Chichester student first. I am not demoralizing the Indian degrees. I do not mean to say that Indian degrees has no value, but definitely the Western studies are in trend now. अगर आपके पास एक वेस्टर्न क्वालिफिकेशंस है, इट इनहांस योर करियर, इट इनहांस योर प्रोफेशनल लाइफ. So comfort and flexibility, the location access definitely are the major points into the online programs right now. I think so these are the very beneficial situations. अगर हमारे पास ऑनलाइन स्टडीज करने का मौका है आज की डेट में, जो हमारे पास पहले नहीं था. We've seen under secondary schools also are nowadays promoting online studies. I have a daughter who's just 3.5 years old. Her school is closed because of this COVID-19 effects, but they are promoting the online studies now. She also goes to Zoom sessions and go to webinar sessions and do her classes and homeworks, sitting at home. So we see the benefits of the online studies are growing so faster. Even the government of India is promoting the online campuses, the online studies, and why not? If you can make your career achieve with one online program, which is not distance, because distance qualifications are not accessible everywhere. But online studies are regular classes. So you can access regular classes and now you can promote yourself professionally, you can promote yourself academically. So I think we all should opt for the online programs if we get an opportunity to. Why not? I think it's a blessing for us now. Thank you.